Good morning, children. Welcome to your online class of EVS. And I am your EVS teacher. I hope you all are fit and fine in your home and daily attend your online classes. And I hope you all have completed your work also with time to time. Children, as you all know that we all are in chapter number 5, Anita and the Honeybees, and in this chapter the chapter is the story of a girl whose name was Anita, and how much effort she take towards her study and how can she achieved her aim by lots of her effort. And now she started her study, and today we will discuss the chapter with this question. Every child has a right to free education up to class 8th. Do you think that all children are able to study up to class 8th? Yes, children, according to the RT Act which is given here, that act came into force on 2009. RT Act means Right to Education, which is the fundamental right of every child, which provides the right of free and compulsory education to each and every child aged 6 to 14 years. Okay, according to this right, every child who is aged to 6 to 14 years able to take proper education. But have you seen the and think that all children are able to study up to class 8? Yes, in that question you have to write your own opinion about that type of children. In this question you have write about those students who wanted to study but they had to discontinue their studies after class 8 due to poor financial condition and many other some unavoidable reasons, like the school distance would be far away from their school, or their parents would not want them to go school as they want their children to help them in earning money, and all many other reasons are for that reason. You have to frame your answer by yourself now and do that question in your rough notebook. Okay, and whenever the school will reopen I will check. Now we are in this paragraph. Slowly I started talking to other parents in the village about sending their daughters to school. Now Anita grew up and she became young. Now he start to make the villagers aware towards the girls' education, and my parents also started helping me in my work. Now her parents also support her and give them more time and opportunity to complete their work and complete their study also. My mother used to do all the housework so that I could get more time to study. Now her mother gave her full support and gave much time for continue her study, and she used to do all the household work so then Anita could get more time to study. Now, the way of beekeeping pass by Anita. From school to beekeeping. Now, there are many lychee trees in our area. Anita is one to saying that there are many lychee trees in her area and honeybees are attracted to the lychee flowers. As you know, children, the honeybee is an insect which create a sweet fluid that is called honey, and they collect the honey by the sweet fruits and flowers like lychee, mango, etc. Many people do beekeeping and collect honey. In Anita's area, many people do that work and used to it as a profession. So I thought that I could also do this, and by seeing all the people in her area, Anita thought, why could not she also start the work? I joined a course run by the government to learn about this. That's why Anita started a course which held by the government. In that course, the government taught the people about the beekeeping. I was the only girl in this course, but on that time, Anita was only the girl who joined the course, and all are the male trainers are there. During my training, I found that honeybees lay their eggs from October to December. Due to her training, Anita found that honeybees mostly laid their eggs in October to December month. This was the best time to start beekeeping. So he observed that the 2 months are the best month for beekeeping. After completing her training, Anita started the beekeeping and she enjoyed her profession also. According to this paragraph and the previous paragraphs, there are given some questions. So let's start the questions. Have you seen any insects near flowers? Find out their names and write. Yes, children. Have you seen any types of insects around the flowers? Yes. One insect is given in this chapter, that is honeybee. And the second one, other insects are honeybee and butterfly also. Okay. Write here the name of the insect, butterfly and the honeybee. Okay. Draw and color their pictures in the notebook. Yes, children. Whenever you start the chapter number 5, you have make a beautiful picture of honeybee and butterfly on the blank side of EVS notebook as a section page. Okay. And that answer also is this, what the picture of honeybee and butterfly. So that is enough for today. We will meet on the next video. Till then, read and understood the chapter again in your home deeply. If you have any queries, you have to download the queries in the chat box in e-learning app. I will try to solve your all queries. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day, children.